Curdy Bob's Tractor Repair.
Okay, putting a cylinder head on this 13.5 liter. Wanted to show you this basic thing. You clean the block up, new head gasket, all that. You gotta get all new head bolts. You cannot reuse the head bolts. But I wanted to show you, these are the special ones that John Deere came out with an update on. That is a rubber packing that is actually installed right on the bolt. They're marked with a blue dot on top. They go in these holes right here. I haven't oiled them up yet because when I do that, I want to be right on top of it, put them all in, because I don't want oil sinking down into the bottom of the hole and a possible hydrolock problem of the bolt. So I was just showing you where these bolts go. And what that does is there is a hole in the cylinder block down below that can come into this bolt hole right here. What they were running into is they was getting antifreeze coming into the oil. It was a thing that they realized they had a situation with, so this is John Deere's idea of how of fixing it. So I've done multiple ones of these in combines where you just tear them down. You don't have to take the head off to replace these, but if you've got a 13.5 liter John Deere and it has not had that update done, I strongly suggest you get it done. Also, when you do this, you have to rotate the camshaft to get these back bolts. As you can see, it's just that one there is just missing the lobe. You have to rotate the camshaft in order to get them down in. So I don't put the cam gear on or anything until the head is completely torqued down, all finished up with all the torques.